Alright, folks, welcome, YouTubers of all ages, and welcome to the incredibly messy miniatures table. I know, we're not doing a Pokemon card episode today. It's because, the friendly local game store I go to, their deliveries of the Pokemon Go, new Pokemon Go set are a little late, so I have to sit tight and stuff. At least I got my pre-orders in. But, today is a very special episode of Rebel Tina's channel. And now, in light of current events, mental health is probably in the forefront of a lot of people's minds. Just how important it is to look out for each other and take care of each other. And that includes taking care of ourselves. So, in any way we can. As long as we don't hurt anyone. So, we might explain the recent rise in popularity of fidget toys. Just getting into. Yep. I went out, bought a $20 bucket of fidget toys from Walmart. 24 pieces. Including a blob ball, liquid timer, a couple things of slime. Just about everything you can think of. Said, open this up and check if you can see what contents are inside. Alright. A little crinkling for the ASMR fanatics. Alright. Ooh. It's got a little tab on this. Oh boy. Oh, these are break here. There we go. Oh boy. Oh. Who knows, opening this box would be more stressful than the official. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got those little Poppet Toys thingies with the little hole in it so you can hang it up and use it as a Christmas ornament. We got a little blast from the past, from the 80s. Rubik's Cube. One of the old school fidget toys. I just took the stickers off of mine. Feels kind of light, a little flimsy. It'll do. Squishy balls. That's always fun to play around with. Smells a little funny. Needs to air out a little. Ew. And here's another squishy ball that's covered in slime. Ugh. How the heck did that happen? Okay. We have one of those squashy, stretchy things. Squashy, stretchy critters. Little piggy. Have a little bunny rabbit. Adorable little sun. Hello, good morning. And an elephant. Okay. We got this weird looking fidget key ring. Don't say how you can put your keys in it, but it's fun nonetheless. There's one of these bendy snake doohickeys. Yeah. Just coil up nice and easy like that. Some sort of a pop and peep pod. Hi there, hi there, hi there, hi there. Really, look at that cute face. So, got this slime, clear slime with little citrus, little citrus slice thingies in it. It's a squishy ball that changes color when you squish it. It's blue and then it changes to pink and then squishes back to purple. Feels a little sticky. So, there's this box, the nice stained glass design on it. Okay, should be between. Keep out direct sunlight. Ah, yes, classic toy right here. the colored oils that flow down the pipes and make all these cute bubble designs. I'm gonna have to put this baby in the office. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those like six of these stretchy tube things. Giant these fat noodles. Oh, these are real fun to. You get a little exercise out, little resistance exercise, stretch those arms. Some rainbow colored slime. Sort of the sparkly galaxy design. And last but not least, we have these little, those look like Chinese finger cuffs, only they got these marbles inside them you can fiddle around. So yeah, that's about it for this giant box of fidget toys. For $20, I think you can get a lot of fun out of it. Here's something to suit everyone's tastes. So, anyway, that's about it for this squishy, smelly, and sometimes sticky box of fidget toys. If you like what you see, sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll see you with something. Hopefully see you with some more Pokemon trading card game footage. Well, next time, peace. Next time, peace.